Dr. Poe, I mean, we here at NBTV have covered black college sports all over America for the last 5 years. Obviously, I'm a Grambling man, so I'm dear to Grambling and everything that Grambling does. Last night, your band put on one of the most phenomenal performances in over the last 10 years. How do you feel about, of course, Dr. Pannell improvement with that great band that you have and performing so illustrious last night?
Well, Dr. Pannell is an institution in himself, as is the band. It's an institution. They did a wonderful job last night. They have always done a wonderful job, regardless of where they go to represent the university. They do an exceptional job. And I think we won last night, of course. But, you know, when you're in enemy territory, sometimes, you know, things don't always turn out. And that's why when you're playing on the field, you see, it's all about being equal. That's right. See, nobody can have the upper hand on the field. So, so our goal here is to demonstrate that we have that upper hand on the field. We also have the upper hand, though, with our band, our cheerleaders, our dancers, and all of the people who love Grambling.
One final question, Dr. Poe. You being one of course, the HBCU world leading, of course, presidents of one of the most illustrious institutions in all of HBCUs. How does it feel about representing such a great institution in the educational arena and seeing to it from a technology standpoint that this particular institution continues to thrive in the 21st century?
Well, I think we feel very good. First of all, we remain true to our mission. We've not altered or changed our mission. If anything, we are enhancing it every day. So our enrollment's increasing, our programs are accredited, people are working together as a team, students are doing what they're supposed to do, and faculty members are teaching and conducting research, and everybody's up. If we could get the kind of support we need from the state in terms of state allocation of resources, we would be fine. But we're going to be fine because we never had equal funding anywhere near that. So, and we continue to thrive and make it.
One final question, and I know this is my second time saying this, folks, but stay tuned right here at NBTV. I got to ask Dr. Poe this. We would love to continue to be a part of this illustrious university. We have some financial initiatives that I think will impact this great university in many ways more than one. We would like to know if we was able to submit proposals to you for your review. Will it be considered? And can NBTV possibly have the opportunity to do some collaborative efforts with the institution to bring about tremendous financial change that you are seeking in reference to resources?
Well, the university is fully open for any new possibility to receive external resources. Fully open. So any ideas are going to be listened to, and carefully we can work things into our funding stream. So, yeah, we'd be very receptive to discussions about anything.
There it is, folks, by a legendary, I'm talking about an absolutely legendary doctor of Grambling State University, the head man in charge, the president of this university, none other than Dr. Poe, who's went out and stated that Grambling State University is open to all possibilities in reference to bringing about economic change for this great and illustrious university. We want you guys to continue to stay tuned right here at NBTV.